guys, welcome back to Sienna's Playtime. Today, if you see, we have a bunch of stuff here. Snow cone maker. We're not making snow cones. It's just the closest thing. We're gonna make mini smoothies. And the only blender I have is like that big, so. We're gonna use a snow cone. So first, I'm gonna teach you guys, well first, I need to show you how to, what we're gonna use. So we're gonna use strawberries, bananas, blueberries, and these little cup things, if we need them. So first I need to, second, I'm just gonna show you guys how to cut. So you should always cut right down the middle. If you don't cut like that, you could. My dad taught me. Then you cut side, side. Then, let's go ahead and put them in the little cup. This is strawberries. And then do the same thing over and over. And of course, they're mini. So if you got, I might cut this one in like a little bit smaller, just so it like clumps up. Like all the big ones, it's kind of tiny, so we need to clump it all up. There, now we have strawberries. Now let's do bananas. See all that red stuff? That's from me. Now, I'm gonna cut. I'm gonna do the same thing, exactly the same. So it's a little more mushy and sticky. Side, in, side, 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 side. Now we finished with bananas. Let's make this the banana container. Help me. Now let's do blueberries. Blueberries are small, right? This might be a little hard to cut. Should we cut it? Ew, look at that. That's so disgusting. I'm just gonna cut it more. Who votes that this is the most disgusting thing to cut? I do. I really don't like cutting this. While I'm cutting, I'm gonna talk about the things you need to make these. They're gonna need one cutting board, a couple little well, it depends what you're using. See how I used 4 things? Then you need 4 cups. If you use 2 things, you need 2 cups. Well, the cups that you need to use, a little blender, and fruit, and a cutting board, and a knife. But see, I'm using the kid's knife because I'm not a grown-up yet, and I can use grown-up knives because I'm mature enough and I know how to use them. But just to be safe, I want to use those. So I actually didn't use 4. I don't know why I needed this. So now I see all these things. I think you should come back for part 2.